Hi hello all, myself Yashas R Nair, the team leader of Team Black Tusk, here to present on our project VerdAO, a decentralized carbon credit exchange platform. The main idea of the platform is to provide an area where an authenticated usage of carbon credit is being monitored as well as demonstrated on the public by the organizations and companies and verified by the public. So the its platform will providing a transparent layer on the blockchain so that everyone knows what all these companies are doing on the network, as well as how are their progress going on, everything. And we have built this on the BNB chain. It's currently deployed on BNB testnet. Okay. So the main three features of the platform are decentralized voting, where since since it is deployed on the blockchain network, everyone will have the information of the companies as well as the voting platform, then the voting period, as well as the ability to maintain a standard price across the platform where carbon credits can be sold and taken. The quality of standards will be ensured by comparing the reports provided by these companies and NGOs to the IEEE standard paper of on carbon credits, where they have specified a set of rules according to which the companies have to provide their documentation. And the anti-greenwashing will be combating that by providing a transparency across and as well as a real-time monitoring of the carbon credit given to every company. The current version of the application, we have just provided a little bit of data, that too for each individual companies. We will be later testing on about it and will be doing. It's the platform which you are currently viewing is an MPP version of the our idea. So yeah, as you can see, I have directly connected my MetaMask wallet here, and let me just go through the about section of this thing and the stakeholders. So the stakeholders on this platform will be NGOs, eco projects who will convert these tokens, corporates, users, and the platform itself. So our stakeholders will be having an decide roles and tasks to be done. So every stakeholder will be an integrated part on the combating carbon credit, as well as will be providing an transparency to the public as well as society. So those NGOs and green projects organization, uh, they uh, they are the ones who are gonna sell CGTs, clean carbon green tokens, as and the corporates will purchase those CGT tokens to burn their CRT, which is carbon responsibility token, right? As well as the users can stake, vote, and influence the decisions on the marketplace, as well as the price of carbon credits that that the marketplace does. The platform will connect these three people as well as verify all their documentation, and will be acting as a governing body which would make sure that the users, NGOs, and corporates won't won't sacrifice or will have any problem when the like if the market value dips, or as well as any bot attack of any sort will happen, the platform will govern according to it, and will be monitoring all the price changes and everything happening on this platform. The quality standards. The DAO defines quality standards of the project to be genuine, as well as the standards would be voted by the word holders. Word is the token that's the token commonly gonna be used across the platform by the user side, and this will throughout this we can help affect greenwashing attempts. So impact verification, proof of work, and DAO approved validation, and monthly audits and performance reports. These are the quality standards that will be maintained across the three main users: the companies, NGOs, as well as the users, that is public. The risk and mitigation, which we have currently tackled, are anonymous and on-chain voting, prevent biases, reputation-based problem system, as well as DAO insurance for high-impact cleanups. So let me just explain you how the main problem works. So suppose let a company polluted, they and they submit their documentation on pollution, everything. They will be given a token called CRT, carbon responsibility token. It's more of like a gold coin that shows how much damage they have done, and to maintain their reputation and to be in a good side, they have to burn or destroy these tokens. To destroy these tokens, they must buy the CGT tokens, carbon green tokens. These carbon green tokens will be provided by the NGOs upon verification of their works then, as well as the organization, project structure, everything, or by verified people who are doing the real environmental works. Yeah. So those companies will have to burn their CRTs by buying CGT, and the anonymous people or anyone who helps can be rewarded with CGT, as well as they can provide helping hand to those companies in need. And me, as well as you who are watching now, we are the community that is going to be monitoring across this platform whether these companies or NGOs how on their performance, as well as everything. So what we will be doing is that we'll vote on projects which upon closer verification of their detailed reports as legit or not, and we will be providing word tokens. Word tokens will give you voting power. With those voting power, you will have an authoritative safe feature, such that no one will be knowing who voted, and it will be maintaining a fair trade balance across the platform. And moreover, it can stake your word token as well as CRT tokens in which you will be earning profit as the company or the NGOs do their job regularly. So before moving on, I would like to just say you what is the voting power. Voting power is the voice in the DAO platform. The more the voting power you have, the stronger the voice you will be having on the platform, and more influential decisions you can take, like approving the eco projects, verifying company reports, and proposing new standards. That's what voting power really does. And how it's calculated is basically we will be having a base power plus those stacked word tokens which you have, as well as a reputation boost will be provided. So suppose if a person has everyone who will be joining and after will vote, they may get a one base point, and those suppose they have stacked around 100 votes, they'll be getting 10 votes. Same way, more activity on the platform, they will be gaining more trust as well, indirectly the reputation boost. And now before showing you how staking and the dashboard currently on the MVP works, I just wanna say the things like why me or you will want to join on the platform. Yeah, because one upon joining the platform, your individual voice will be heard. There's no discrimination or any kind of sort things happening on the platform. Here, everyone's voice, since it is on the chain, everyone's voice and everyone's opinion will be noted and will be considered. Uh, and if you really want to have more change, you can just engage more on the platform to have more reputation as well as to earn stacking the tokens. The more voice you will be having on the platform. Yeah. So it's basically a mini smart token economics that happens on the platform, which help us to get profit as well as everyone on the platform will be having their profits mentioned. Uh, so companies, when they join up and they connect together, they'll be verified by the DAO platform as a real organization. They have to submit their carbon activity reports on how much they will. So after submitting, they will get carbon responsibility token, and to offset that, they will buy carbon green tokens from verified eco projects or NGOs, and these must be destroyed to show on how they they cleared their pollution scales. And after that, we may be provided them a carbon neutral batch, and these things will be automatically checking across months as well as weeks on how the project works, how much the company has been burned, everything. It may be weekly or monthly basis, and everyone on the platform will be knowing what's the current status. Uh, and these NGOs and eco projects people, upon signing and submitting the verification forms and the community approving them, they will be given CGTs. So and they can sell those CGTs to companies or for money to mining their work, and can be free. Then they will be later featured upon the platform. Uh, as users, we will be joining on the platform as a member, and we will stack the word tokens to get more voting power. Upon voting power, we will have the ability to vote on projects. The more voting power you have, the more ability on projects, the more influential projects that you will be handling. That's what you do. And the platform itself will help connect all these three people, verify everyone's purchase login reports, will maintain an economical balance across, so that the token economics as well as every user will not sacrifice any of their money invested on the platform. It will be a free flowing platform where currently what my main idea is that the platform will be having so much of freedom across this carbon credit that no one or not a group of people will can decide to break or shake up the market. The market will be highly interconnected, since we are having the smart token economics. Even if one of the has either of the three tokens greater in the amount, they won't be having they won't be having more power on the platform. The power on the platform will be dependent upon how much they engage on the platform, how much of reputation will be having. That's smart economics. That's how we will be verifying the platform, verifying each user's transaction, everything, so that the market as well as the platform won't crash down. So just as a summary of the flow which everyone does, company will pollute, they will get CRT tokens, just they have to burn those CRT tokens. To burn those CRT tokens, they will buy the CGT token given by the NGOs, and the user will have the voting power to approve projects, reports, platform, and the platform will have manage all the backend as well as token logic and transparency things, thereby providing a win-win situation to everyone. Now let me just show you the staking, how staking works on the platform. Yeah. Since I'm currently logged in on the platform by MetaMask, my connected wallet, my staked coins, and my word rewards have been shown. So I'll be having an amount of, let's suppose, let's say 850, 8500, let it be. And now on approving, when I click the approve CRT button, the MetaMask will pop up. It will be having all the transaction details as well as the information. Currently, the platform has been hosted on BNB Smart Testnet chain. Yeah, you can see all the details across on the network, and then we will confirm the payment. Sorry, we will confirm the stacking of the CRT tokens. Yeah, CRT approved successfully. Now we will stake those approved CRT tokens. And as you can see, it has been updated on our stake rewards. The dashboard will show the current stake reward as well as the voting power and voting streaks which have been done. The voting page, yeah, the voting page will have, since I have my account logged in, I can just see the project. Currently we have not implemented those document uploadation as well as reports analysis in this MPP version. We'll be adding it later. So DAO voting, let me just approve the reforestation project. I am going to submit my vote, and my voting has been submitted. The marketplace will be providing the CGT. Yeah, the approved project. I can just buy the CGT tokens. Everything. That's how the platform works, and I will show you the MetaMask transaction. can see we our approved CRT tokens, caps, as well as the stake information. Everything has been noted on the MetaMask platform. So that's it. I hope you all liked our project, and will be supporting our mission to uh, eliminate greenwashing across those carbon credit transactions that occurs. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you on watching this video. Signing off.